everyone. Welcome to a new lesson. Today we're going to be looking at something quite exciting. We're going to be starting our learning of verbs. And we are going to start with one of the most important verbs in the English language, the verb to be. If you're ready, let's begin. How do you conjugate the verb to be? How do you use it in a sentence? To be able to use the verb to be, there is one thing you need to know at the very beginning, okay? You need to know what a pronoun is, okay? Because you will need it to be able to use the verb to be in a sentence. Now, what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word that is used in the place of a noun, okay? And this word can refer to a person, a place, or a thing. Now, what do I mean by this definition? What do I mean by this, okay? Now, in English, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pronouns, okay? These are the main pronouns that we are going to start learning in this lesson, okay? The pronoun I represents a person, represents you I'm talking to, okay? You would say I, and then you have you. So if you say you, maybe you would be talking to me, right? Or you would be talking to someone else. Then you have he, she, and it. He for a man, she for a woman, and it for a thing or an animal. We use together as in you and I. That's what we means. They means you, he, she, and it. So all of these refer to the pronoun that you're looking at. So that's what we mean by pronoun refers to person, place, or thing, and it replaces a noun, okay? We are going to look at more examples to help you understand what a pronoun is and how to use it in a sentence, okay? Great, let us continue. So how do you conjugate the verb to be? Now you remember our pronouns, okay? And this is the verb to be. Now, when you see to plus a verb, it means that verb is in what we call the infinitive. It's in the infinitive form. It means that this verb, when you have to plus a verb, it means that this verb has not been conjugated. The verb is not conjugated, okay? Now, to conjugate a verb means what? It means to put the verb, conjugate means put the verb in a particular tense. And we will look at tenses later on as we progress with our learning. Okay, in fact, we're going to look at one of the tenses today. All right? Now, we are going to conjugate the verb to be. Okay? You have your pronouns on this side, and you have the verb to be conjugated on this side. Okay? What are you going to say? You're going to use your pronoun here, I am. So be will change to am. Okay? You are. He, she, it is. We are. They are. Remember, to help you understand or remember faster, note that you have a change here and here. This and this and this remain the same. So you have 1, 2, 3 are, but when you use I, it has to change to am. And when you use he, she, or it, it has to change to is. Got it? Let's move on. Now, remember I told you we're going to learn a tense in this lesson. And the first tense is the present tense. Okay? What is the present tense? The present tense is used to describe something happening now or at the time you are speaking. This is important. Okay? This is important for you to know. Something that is happening now or something that is happening at the time you are speaking. If you say, for example, I am, is it happening now? Is it true now? Is it true that you are now? You are existing now. Yes? It is true, right? So, these here, all of these are conjugated in the present tense. So that's what we mean by conjugate the verb to be in the present tense. This verb be will change to am, are, is, are. So again, I am, you are, he, she, it is, we are, they are. Okay? Great. Let's look at some examples. How do we use the verb to be in a sentence? Simple. Remember your pronoun and remember the verb to be in the present tense. Okay? Since we're using the present tense here. I am a man. So that's what he says. This is true, right? This man is a man. So I am a man. Good. Next sentence. You, pronoun, are a girl. Is this a girl? Yes, this is a girl. So this is true. You are a girl. Is this a boy? Your answer is yes. So he is a boy. She is a teacher. Is this a cat? If your answer is yes, you are correct. So you would say it. Remember, it is the pronoun that is used for a thing, for example, an animal. Okay? So you would say it is a cat. Let's continue. We, remember what I said, we means you and I. Okay? We are students. Okay? They are children. Remember what I say about they? What they means? They includes you, he, she, it. Okay? They are children. Now let's look at some useful expressions in English using the verb to be. These are expressions that you can start including in your vocabulary to help you learn more English words and expressions and also speak correctly and faster. Okay? Be in a hurry. What does it mean? Look at this picture. Look at this picture. This person here, kind of a person or a fish kind of thing, is running. Okay? He says, I am in a hurry. So to hurry means to rush, to act fast. Maybe he is late, so he wants to run to go and do what he has to do. So for each of these expressions, you must know that you can also use it in a sentence. For example, be in a hurry. You're going to add to here. This changes to an infinitive verb which is not conjugated. So when you want to put it in a sentence, look here, look at here. Okay? He says, I am in a hurry. So you would just do that. You put your pronoun, I, you conjugate the verb in the present, am in a hurry. Okay? And you can do that for all the other pronouns. You are in a hurry. Remember, this in a hurry, this expression in a hurry does not change. The pronoun and the verb will change. He is in a hurry. Got it? Let's move on. Another expression, be on time. What does that mean? It means to arrive at the right time to wherever you are going to. Okay? Be on time because time is money. See? We've used the verb to be here again. Time is money. Okay? So be on time. You can say, I am on time. We are on time. Remember, the expression on time will not change, but the pronoun and the verb will change depending on what pronoun you use. Great. Look at this other expression. Be out of shape means what? Look at this guy. He is able to lift some weights. Okay? If he is out of shape, he will not be able to lift this weight. Okay? So if you're not able to do exercises as good as you used to, if you begin to run, for example, if you start to run and you feel out of breath, it means that you lose your breath. It means you start to pant and you get very tired in a short time, then you are out of shape. Okay? So it means to not be physically fit. So how do you use it in a sentence? I am out of shape. Okay? He is out of shape. Remember, out of shape does not change in the sentence. The verb will change depending on the pronoun. And let's look at the last few expressions. Be polite. It means when you see somebody for the first time, you say hi. you say good morning, you say good afternoon, okay? Be kind, okay? Share things with people and do things that will bring someone happiness. And also be happy. Be happy. Great. That is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. I will see you in our next lesson. Bye.